Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today the backdrop is up, the lights are on. It is October 1st and it is time to kick off 31 days of Halloween. And my day one number look is Sully from Monsters Inc. So if you guys want to see how I created this body paint, just keep watching and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the 31 days of Halloween that I have coming for y'all. So let's get started. So to start off, we are going to do our base. I'm just wetting a paintbrush and I'm going into my teal Wolf FX paint cake here out of my Essentials palette, and we're just gonna start painting this base. This is a really easy base. It's just all teal, and this paint honestly is one of my most pigmented, so it does not take a whole lot. You just have to watch with how much water you add to it.
We are on in 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Now that we are totally covered in teal paint, we gotta add the spots. So my tip for adding spots is to get a brush like this. It has kind of a stippling type end. This is the Deluxe Crease brush from Real Techniques. And I'm gonna dip it in and I'm gonna pick up some purple on here, and since Sully is furry, we want it to have fur-like texture, so just kind of stipple it on. So we're just gonna add these spots kind of randomly.
They actually make our quota today, sir.
They're starting that month.
What happened? The kid almost touched me. She got this close to me.
She wasn't scared of you? She was only 6!
I could have been dead. I could have died. Keep it together, man. Hey, we got a dead guy over here.
So while we let all of this dry, I'm going to move on to my eyelids. I hadn't really decided what I want to do, but I think I know what I'm going to go with. So I'm going to start by priming with a white base all over the lid and the very underneath of this lash line so that I can fill it in with some color and it will stick. And on the lid, I am going to take this ColourPop color in Fantasy. It's kind of like a fuchsia color, so it's a little bit less purple and more pink than what we have on the body, but it will stand out a little bit.
We are on in 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Underneath, to solidify our color, I'm taking another ColourPop shadow that matches this paint. It just has a little bit of shimmer to it. And we're gonna put this in the lower lash line. Okay, and now I'm just gonna throw on a little eyeliner so there is a little bit of definition to our eyes. For mascara, I'm going to use this Seafoam Green mascara from Wet n Wild. And I'm not putting any lashes on with this look. So these are just going to match the fur kind of look we got going on. Now we're going to add some details. So I'm going to take some white and we're just going to do really light strokes of white to create kind of a fur look. So I'm going to just pick some up on an angled brush here, and we're gonna go up. And we're just gonna kind of follow the direction. And they'll because of the white, they'll kind of turn to this teal color because of the water. So we're just gonna kind of put these on the highlight areas to create this fur like strokes.
I could have died! together, man. Hey, we got a dead guy over here.
Try to do hair horns and they just didn't work, so I did space buns instead, but you guys get the idea. So this is the end of day 1 of 31 for 31 days of Halloween, and this is our Sully look. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure you subscribed. I have 30 more days of stuff coming for you guys, so hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow.